Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install actual budget with Docker on Ubuntu 24.04. First, update the system and install the necessary dependencies. Next, create the Docker keyrings directory. Continue by adding the Docker GPG key and Docker repository. Then, update the package list again. Proceed to install Docker Engine and Docker Compose. Continue to verify the Docker installation. Now, create an actual budget directory and enter it. Continue to set up the Docker Compose configuration. Open a new configuration file, then paste the following configuration. Save and exit the editor. Now, start the actual budget and verify the container is running. You should see a container named actual budget listed as running. Next, test the actual budget locally. Continue installing Nginx, then enable and start it. Next, create an Nginx reverse proxy configuration. Create a new site configuration and paste the following configuration. This configuration forwards incoming HTTP requests to the actual budget container running on port 5006. Then, enable the Nginx site, test, and reload Nginx. Now, you can access the application using your configured domain. The Nginx reverse proxy will forward requests to the actual budget container running on your server.